Durgarao. 3-1 first V Harika, second M Shivakumari. 3-1 first V Harika, second M Shivakumari. 2-1 first T Bhargavi, second T Bhavani. 2-1 first T Bhargavi, second T Bhavani. IT 4-1 L Bhimappa. IT 4-1 L Bhimappa. Next, MBA department 3-1 first T Ramadevi, second M Sravanti. 3-1 first T Ramadevi, second M Sravanti. MCA first Pratima, second Mariamma. MCA first Pratima, second Mariamma. Next, MBA Business Standard Quiz Toppers. First place Srinivas Raju, second place L Maheshwari, third place Jwala Pawan Kumar and T Ramadevi. That's all about your academic prizes. Next, the games and sports prizes. Next, 4TC student, we are giving a special prize for G. Venkateshwar Reddy for Math 94.62% and CAT 92.71%. This is a special prize for our both EC Venkateshwar Reddy for getting this good score in Math and CAT.
మ్యాథ్ అండ్ క్యాట్ అనే ఎంతమందికి అవగాహన ఉందో లేదో నేను చెప్తాను. CAT is an entrance test for getting into Indian Institute of Management. ఇండియాలో బెస్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలంటే CAT లో మినిమం 90+% ఉండాలి. Venkateshwar Reddy has got 92%. And he is our second student who is studying his MBA from IIMs. And first one is Mr. Venkat, who is doing in Calcutta, and definitely Venkateshwar Reddy also will go into one of the IIMs. Congratulations, Venkateshwar.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now, volleyball winners, my Tigers, that is first year. All the team members.